Hey, it's Timothy again, and today we're going to go through another Commodore Productions tutorial video. This time we're going to be talking about green screens. Green screens! We're going to be touching upon the concepts of green screens and how I use them throughout my works. Green screen, green screen, green sheet. Green screens can add upon your video editing creativity, so let's dive into it. So what you want to do first is open your video editing software. Mine is going to be Premiere Pro. If you're not using Premiere Pro, you're a loser. If you're not using Premiere Pro, the same concepts will apply. It's just video editing with extra steps. You're going to want a video clip that has a green screen background so that you can key your subject or subjects out. Okay, now we are in Premiere Pro. I got my example sequence in place. Let's have a quick look to see what we are working with. Alright, so for this example, I'm thinking of utilizing a retro look, kind of a Super 8 film style effect. I've already downloaded this file, so I'm just dragging it into here so that you can just see what it looks like. You can find this all over the internet and YouTube. Just type in Super 8 green screen in the search bar. Once you've downloaded your clip and moved it into your timeline, drag it over onto the second layer above the original clips, so you get something like this. Go to your effects panel, type in Ultra key, drag it into your green screen clip. Go to your effects controls, click on the little color droplet tool, hover over the green screen and click on the green part of your green screen. You can't miss this. This will remove the green from the green screen, resulting in a nice Super 8 overlay. Let's take a look at what we got. Cool. I want to add another green screen effect on top of this one. I'm thinking of some type of bats or birds flying across the screen right here at the very beginning, giving it a really moody effect. So what I'm going to do is going to grab my green screen clip that I already downloaded in the past. It will be with the black bird animation. So I got my bird flocks here and I dragged it into my timeline already. I'm going to move the bird flock to the third layer and then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to my effects, go to Ultra key, drag that into the green screen, go to your effects controls, click on the color droplet, click on the green screen, and let's take a look. So yeah, I kind of want to have the overlay on the top of the bird flock so that way birds are not flying over the overlay. I just moved the layer to the top part. Let's clean this up a little bit and let's have a look again. And there we go. So wait, what if your green screen doesn't key out properly? Or you just don't have a green screen? Here are some workarounds that I use that give the same effect. Alright, here's my example for this situation. I have my green screen clip on top and I have my background clip on the bottom. As you can already notice, the green screen background and the Ultra key effect isn't doing that good of a job. This is because of uneven lighting as well as not flattening the green screen surface prior to filming. So you want to take your green screen clip, click on it, go into your effects controls, open up your Ultra key. Now you can see that there's quite the amount of adjustment options that the Ultra key provides. I start on the top and work my way down and see if the adjustments made will make any difference. This will vary clip to clip, but we can try it from here. So I usually start with the transparency, and the transparency does a great job of keying out the green screen, like more or less. Then you see some like wrinkling right here, but overall it does a good job of taking out everything completely that's green. The problem is that it's keying out myself as well. We just kind of want to balance that between the two, but it's pretty hard to do that. We'll just probably leave it around 68. I think that's where it'll be peaking. Another thing that you can test is the pedestal. Pedestal will kind of take away a little bit more of the wrinkles. It does a good job, so we'll take that, we'll crank that up to 100. As for the rest, I think I'm just going to keep that there because it doesn't really make any difference in terms of taking out that green screen any further. So let's see what we have. It looks pretty good. The only thing I don't like is this little corner right here. You can still see the wrinkles of the green screen. This is kind of like the max you can do with this Ultra key. There's not much else that you can change in the Ultra key tab to make any difference here. What we're going to do is start masking our stuff out. Go to opacity, click on the masking pen tool, and click around the wrinkly parts of the green screen. You can try to get as close as possible. There we go. Now what you do is want to click invert. There's no wrinkles in the green screen area anymore. Unfortunately, we can see some wrinkling in the green screen on the top here, so we might probably just mask out this area up on here as well. So what you want to do is go back to your opacity, click on your mask, and then make that adjustment. Maybe add another point right here. Go expand that. Now let's take a look at what we have. So yeah, it looks pretty good now. So as you can see that it's evened out, there's no wrinkles anymore. Now there's this kind of strange little gap in between right here. You can feather out the mask by pressing mask and feathering it out and get as close as you can. Now the funny thing is that my desk is also green, so it's taken out my desk as well. So what you can do is also add another mask to take that out if you want. As you can see the comparisons. You just have to be careful. If any of my body parts go into this masking area, it will take that out. So you want to be using the masking path tool to kind of keyframe that section, but that's for another tutorial. Masking is a great technique that can be used to help you smoothen out the green screen like I did right here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you are digging my content that I'm making. Otherwise, I usually make videos every week. However, these past couple weeks have been quite busy for me, so I do apologize for that. I'll be making it up for you guys, I promise, maybe. But I want to say thank you for supporting my content as I continue to use this platform to document my videography career path. Hopefully we can keep that relationship going. That's all for today. Let me know what you guys want to see in my future videos in the comments below. See you in the next. Peace.